Ooh, this must be always been gonna do the same thing. It must be really beautiful. Yeah. The ants helped a lot.
Look out below!
Ooh, it's beautiful.
Jump over.
Oops, that's not it. I should always remember. You better try again.
Now he's got it. Yeah, just jump over. No.
That's not it.
You didn't jump over. You jumped around, Mr. Noodle.
Yeah. The ants helped a lot.
Look out below!
Oh. I love it.
What animal makes that sound? A rooster, a rooster! A rooster, right. A rooster says, cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo.
That looks funny. Oh, I must be always still here. Alright. Oh, he's here. Just steady right there. Yes. Keep it moving. Yeah, keep it moving. Yeah. Yes, steady right there. Gotta keep it moving. Keep it moving. Yeah. Stay right there. Keep it moving. Yeah. Hello, ants. Hi, everybody. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hi there. Hello. Hi. Hi. It's nice to meet you. Let's keep it moving. Keep it moving.
Got it! Let's go!
Hello, Goki.
I can't see! It's so dark!
Hey, it's really dark. Yeah. Stay right there. Keep it moving. Keep it moving.
Got it! Let's go! On it! On it!
I can't see. It's so dark.
Where are the lights?
Uh-oh. Oh my goodness. Whoa, we cannot finish our bridge in the dark. The flowers are blocking their light. These flowers are blocking, they're bright here. Yeah, me too. Hey, hi, Goki. Hey, Goki. Hey, Goki. Hello, ants.
Look, it's a little frog. And he has a guitar.
Yes. I like that one. Hey, look at this one. It's a little frog. Oh, yes. That's cool. Hey, it's a little frog. And it's a kind of a musical instrument. I think so. Yeah. Kind of. It has strings playing this tune. Yeah, that's right. Absolutely. Hey, it's a little frog. Yes, it is a golden one. A golden frog. Yes, and it has a musical instrument have strings.
A guitar.
Hey, big fella. You all look just like in this this picture of the golden frog. Yeah, me too. I love that one.
Hey, Dora. He looks just like the picture of the cold tea.
Oh, I love it. You will look just... It's like me. Hey, folks. I think he is a cookie. Yeah. I think he is a cookie. It's a cookie frog. Yes, I think he is a cookie. Yeah. You all look just like in the picture. Yes, it's like me. I'm a golden frog. Hey! Hey, folks. But, I think he is a cookie.
Maybe he'll sing for us. Sing, Cookie, sing.
Well, maybe he'll sing for us. Yeah, maybe he'll sing it for us. Me too. That's a frog. It's golden. Yes, that's a kind of a golden frog. Maybe he'll sing for us. That is a golden frog. Yeah. Me too. Me three. I love that. Maybe he'll sing for us. Sing it, big fella, sing. Yeah, come on, sing. Big fella, sing. Yeah, come on. Sing it, big fella, sing.
Cookie, Cookie. Dora.
Yes? I don't think he can sing. Hey, honey. I don't think he can sing. He can sing, yeah. Hey, honey. What? I don't think he can sing. Of course not. Honey. Hey, ants. Yes, honey. What? I really don't think he can sing. Hey, honey. Yes, honey.
I don't think he can sing.
No, of course not.
Boots, it says in his book that Cookie lives on a beautiful island.
Oh no.
If he leaves the island and is away from his family and friends, he gets sick.
Because he cannot sing. Well, you see, it's just been away from his family and friends. Yeah, you missed it. Oh no. He gets sick. Yes. He might feel because sick and he cannot sing. Well, if he just lives on the island, it's away from his family and friends. He gets sick. Anyone can't sing. I think so. I love that. Yeah. I guess you're right. I guess you're right, guys. But, I think he lives on the island is away from this misted all my families and friends because sick. Anyone can sing. because you might feel sick.
And he can't sing. Cookie, is that true?
Yeah. Hey, little fella, is that true? Are you sure?
Cookie.
Excuse me. Oh no. Are you sure you're okay? Are you? You alright? Oh yeah. But it's just behind it. Hey, what happened? Are you okay? What happened, little fella? I already missed in my family, but what am I gonna do?
Don't worry, Cookie.
We'll help you. We'll help you get there in no time. Okay then, big fella, if you say so. Yeah. Well, we have to get there. Hey, honey, is that true?
Cookie.
Don't worry, little buddy. We'll get you there. I think so. Yeah, me too. Don't worry, little buddy. We'll get you home. We'll help you find your families and friends. You will? Oh, thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. Cookie. Hey, Cookie. Cookie, are you okay? You alright? You okay? I'm fine. Oh no. Oh, don't cry. Oh, all my families and friends are gone. I'm all alone. Don't cry, Cookie. We'll help you get back to his island to your family and friends. Don't worry, little buddy. We'll help you. Yeah, don't worry. We'll help you. Okay then, little fella. If you say so. It's just in our families and friends for me. Oh, don't worry. Cookie, you'll be fine. Okay then, little fella. If you say so. I really like it. It's just in our own. Oh, don't worry, Cookie. You'll be fine. Okay, son. If you say so. Oh, you missed it away from his family and friends. Because he gets sick and then he cannot sing either. Well, what am I gonna do? Don't worry, Cookie. We'll help you find your families and friends. You will? Oh, thank you, boo-boo. Thank you. I almost got it. Oh, don't worry, Cookie. We'll help you. What am I gonna do? Oh, don't worry, boo-boo. We'll help you. Oh, okay. If you say so.